Inventum Engineering. For the transmission of high torque with extreme reliability, the shrunk fit is probably the most widely used modern method of connecting components. But to separate shrunk fit component with jaw-bearing puller method can damage the shaft as well as bearing. This disadvantage is totally eliminated by using a high-pressure oil injection system. The oil injector pump, manufactured by Inventum, can easily mount or dismount shrunk fit components without damage. The pump is mounted on the bracket, which provides firm support to the pump. This injector pump is basically a hand-operated piston pump. The injector pump fitted with a spring-loaded oil feeder. The bracket also is provided with a 3/8" BSP connection, so that pressure gauge can be mounted to provide direct readings. The stand support, the weight of the assembled components. The connection from the bracket to the component by means of a flexible high-pressure tubing, which are specially heat-treated to give them the required flexibility on both ends the tubing is fitted. The adapter nipples and extension pipes of special dimensions are used to connect components. The system consists of injecting oil at higher than bounding pressure into the area of component contact through oil ducts built into the arrangement. This is achieved by screwing in one or more oil injector onto the components using connector pipe. With reciprocating strokes of the oil injector, oil is forced in between the matting surfaces. Once the oil pressure exceeds the bounding pressure, the components float on an oil film relative to each other and small force is sufficient to separate them. Find more on www.inventumindia.com.